In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the Splutch. The Splutch is the part used to put the transmission on agitation or on spin. Start by disconnecting the washer from the wall outlet. Then you need to turn the water faucets off so there's no water going into the machine. Remove the fill hoses from the water valve behind the washer. You could put a can of paint like this to lay the machine right on it. This way, if there is any water left on the tub, it won't leak on the floor. Now you have access to the transmission and to the Splutch. To remove the belt guard, you need to remove two 5/16 head screws. You will need a 30mm socket wrench to remove this nut. To make it easier to remove the nut, grab the belt like this tight and then remove the nut. The easier way to remove the belt is by derailing it from the big pulley. To remove this pulley, wiggle it from side to side, then pull it up and take it out. To remove the rest of the Splutch, first you need to remove this piece from these holes. Go ahead and disengage the piece from the holes. And take it out. Disengage this piece from the arm of the shifter. And take it out. Take this gear out and take the spring out. Put the new spring in place. Put in the plastic gear. Put this part in place, making sure that you hook it under the shifter arm like this. Make sure you put it the right way, okay? Now put the cover in place. Align it with the holes and push it down until it locks in place. Make sure that the 4 tabs are locked into the 4 holes, okay? Now install the big pulley. Put it in place and push it down. To install the belt, put the belt on the motor pulley, then on one side of the big pulley and turn the pulley until it's in place. Screw in the locking nut by hand as much as you can. Grab the belt like this and squeeze it and tighten the nut. Install the belt guard with the two 5/16 screws. Stand up the washer. Connect the two fill hoses to the water valve and open the water faucets. Connect the washer to the wall outlet and try it to see how it works now. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and I will notify you every time I make a new video. Thank you for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.